Hi, I'm Clay Milliken, NHRA driver of the Parks Plus team. Get ready for the 46th annual Ski Freeze, January 1st at Mud Island River Park. Water skiers, barefooters, and wakeboarders will brave the icy waters of the Mississippi to help make wishes come true for kids right here in the Mid-South. Now more than ever, the Dream Factory of Memphis needs your help.
He's just a good old boy who loves burning rubber and driving fast. You're tuned into the Clay Milliken YouTube channel where you never know what you're gonna see.
All right, y'all, I'm here with Mr. Brian Yingling. He has been the man kind of in charge of this entire event. Tell us what we're doing here.
Man, we are having Ski Freeze 2023, and you know, Ski Freeze, you've been our spokesman for years. I can't even count how many, and I'm getting too old to remember. But anyway, we're raising money for the Dream Factory of Memphis, and we grant dreams to critically and chronically ill kids. And this is our single largest fundraiser every year.
All right, Brian, so tell us about this year's recipient of the Dream Factory Wish.
Well, her name is Paris. She lives in Cordova. She is a 13-year-old, and she has cerebral palsy, Rett syndrome, and epilepsy. So she has got a host of issues she's been living with. And she, her two brothers, and mom and dad, we're going to fly them down to Disney in March. And they're going to stay down there and have, let's see, 6 nights and 7 days in Orlando. And not have to worry about anything but having fun and putting her illness behind them.
That's a good thing. And it's a blessing what you guys do. It's amazing. I mean, you know, yes, I might be the spokesperson, but all these people that you got here that volunteer, they do all the work, and we appreciate what you guys do.
Thank you, Clay.
I know it may be just a Southern tradition to eat black-eyed peas on New Year's Day, but here in the Memphis area for Ski Freeze, it is a tradition to ride your motorcycle. As you can see, there's hundreds of motorcycles out here. It's people out there skiing, and this is such a cool deal to raise money and give a kid a wish. It's really a really neat deal. I've been working with these guys for like a decade now, and I always have fun, but I gotta tell you, it's like 65 degrees today. This has been the most enjoyable Ski Freeze that I've ever been a part of, because we've been down here where it's ice in the water. What a great day. I hope that y'all are enjoying this. And this little guy right here is fixing to hop in the Mississippi River. Are you going to do a little kneeboarding?
Yes, sir.
Tell everybody your name.
Davis.
Have you kneeboarded a bunch? Yeah. You think you're going to get right up? Is the water going to be cold?
Yes, sir. It's going to be chilly.
This is awesome. I'm excited to watch you. I'm scared to do it. I'm afraid my little toes will get cold.
So your dad is excited to watch it.
So we've been doing this for years. I've known this guy for years too, but this is a neat deal. How long you been coming down here? Woo. Yeah, I'm the same. Woo.
Yeah.
A long time.
Probably since 11, 12 years old. So what, 19 years? Long time?
Long time, but it's a neat deal. Like I say, it's for the Dream Factory of Memphis. I come every year, and I have participated, but it's been more than 19 or 20 years.
Hey, today's a good day to do it.
It is. It is.
What's up, man? How are you?
I'm good. So what are we riding in here?
We are in a Malibu, I don't know, 6, X156, Axis, no, it's an Axis, from Memphis Boat Center. Their great sponsors helped this event out to let us use their boat for the Ski Freeze.
Yeah, this thing's beautiful.
Yeah, it's a really great boat.
Good job.
Yeah, way to go!
Good job, buddy. Good job, buddy. Give me a 5 there. Good job. All right, guys, I'm back in the boat here with Dwayne, old bracket racer. Got on a barefoot suit. This man's fixing to attempt to deep water start. A little barefoot action coming up. I can't ski, but I can barefoot. I shouldn't say that. They'll be asking me to do it, but I can't. I'm not today. You're over here agreeing with me. The boat ride's better, right?
Yeah.
Lord God, this day, people being here. Lord, protect us today. Protect all the drivers. Protect everybody, God. Let me have a safe run. Thank you for the boat, the weather. Got another year down here. Let me make a safe pass. In your name I pray, Father God, Lord. Amen.
Amen.
Okay, go ahead. Hit it.
I will tell y'all this, he was pretty serious about it, but he pulled it off.
That is far too.
That was pretty good.
Appreciate the drive.
Man, I'm trying not to be your professional driver here. That was fun.
Hey, that's
I hit my marks, I think, too.
Oh, it's perfect. I was thinking, man, you get tired riding on your butt when it's rough.
Yeah.
Perfect drive, bro.
All right.
I didn't bounce. You went. You just got to be a little patient. Cold water makes you want to speed everything up, right?
Yeah.
You lose it up here. I tell people in cold water, you lose it. You don't have patience. You lose your form, everything. On this water.
Well, you got a standing ovation, I'll tell you what.
All right, we got Kelsey going. She's kind of famous for the ski freeze, y'all.
Hey, Kelsey.
2 years.
So since the
show
last time Kelsey
getting a show
skied, she's
today.
now a mama. And
I
you-
would have been skiing pregnant last year if they would have let me.
So this is like way warmer than you're used to.
It's gonna be great. This
we
is
doing two skiers?
beautiful.
Two skiers, okay.
Will you hand me that vest that you're
They made it. An attempted high five there.
I can't feel my legs.
Oh, yeah. A little bit.
I can't feel my back.
Yeah, I bet.
And I'm not sure that my top is still on.
Everybody clear? We wouldn't tell you if it wasn't. I mean, yes, we would.
Oh, yeah. Right out there on it.
Scooter, that ain't no forward in there.
No, got a Chevrolet in that one.
Makes it easy to work on.
Yes.
All right, give us the rundown for YouTube.
51 Mercury, 4.5-inch chop, Chevrolet small block, air ride suspension, Mustang 2, all the goodies.
All the goodies. And where'd this one come from? I know. Let me just tell y'all real quick. So how long have I known you, Scooter?
My whole life.
100% I've known him his whole life.
Yes.
And if there's somebody that does wheeling and dealing, this guy right here. If you
Yeah.
need it, he can find it if he ain't got it. So where'd this one come from?
This came from Middle Tennessee. I've had it about 2 years.
Which is a long time for you.
Oh yes, that is a long time. I'm gonna try to keep this. Try to. Unless somebody wants it more than me.
Well, and that's always possible
Yeah.
with you, that's
Yeah.
for sure. So y'all keep seeing this guy too. I'm sorry I'm interrupting.
No worries,
here.
man. You do your thing.
And I was just making you wait, so
Yeah.
you got to show me your car too.
66 Fairlane.
Oh God, I didn't even see
Yeah.
this one.
But it doesn't have a 390 in it.
So you're not going to be like Scooter and raise the hood and it's got a Chevrolet in it?
No, it's got a Ford in it.
Yeah, look at that. It got a big old Ford in that thing.
Sucker's full.
09 GT 500 motor. So
It's kind of
it's all
like
dirty. It's my daily driver. So
it's kind of like Baby D in a little bit, that it's really just a tire spinning machine.
yes, that's all it does. Yeah, look at the rear tires.
Exactly.
I almost didn't get out of the shop because I had to go through the mud to get there. There's no traction on them.
So you literally you do drive the heck out of this thing.
Yes.
All the time.
This has been cross country. It did Route 66.
The whole thing?
Yeah, whole thing was 5,500.6 miles round trip.
Wow.
Yep.
And you drive it every day?
Every day.
I love that. Great thing.
That's why it's all dirty.
Little supercharger on that thing. It's pretty dang cool. So Sean, obviously y'all have seen on here, works with Edelbrock, does a ton of photos, magazine covers, a lot of different things like that. And trust me, when he says he drives that every day, he runs the wheels off of it all the time. All right, guys, as always, appreciate you watching, liking, subscribing, and sharing, and we will see you in the next one.